Hi everyone, this is Sujay from University of Bedfordshire representing Network Group. Welcome to Green Computing video. Throughout this series, we'll be talking about green computing, need for it, this technology, approaches to green computing and its benefits.
What is green computing? Green computing refers to the practice and study of using computing resources effectively. It aims to achieve economic sustainability and improve the way computer devices are being used. In broader sense, it is study of manufacturing, designing, using, and discarding of computer devices effectively and effectively with no impact on the environment.
Hat. Reasons to support green computing. Going green is very much important for us to make the nation healthy. Green computing strategies help us to build a better and secure place for us to live in. Computers consume a lot of energy. Increasing number of computers is increasing the electricity consumption, which results in carbon content. In order to minimize the carbon footprints, green computing lays stress on the operation of computers and related
Approaches of green computing with relation to economic and environment. Power management. It is built into PC operating system by enabling power management features in computer operating systems and using electricity wisely reduces the power uses when not required and can help the environment significantly. Recycling. Recycling is the process of discarding of unwanted and electronic equipment in convenient and environment responsible manner. Virtualization. It is the process of combining several physical systems into virtual machine on one powerful single system which gives the better performance. This technique can reduce the power consumption. Recycling. Recycling is the process of discarding of unwanted and electronic equipment in convenient and environment responsible manner. Virtualization. Virtualization is the process of combining several physical systems into virtual machines on one powerful single system which gives better performance. This technique can reduce the power consumption.
The production of electricity is the largest single source of air pollution, and due to the burning fossil fuels, a power plant used to generate electricity burns oil, coal, or natural gases, and the emits gas such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxides. These gases in turn cause acid rains, smoke, and global warming. Conserving energy reduces the amount of the fuel that has to be consumed, thereby reducing the amount of pollution generated. Obviously, energy efficiency is positive step towards reducing air pollution. Thank you.
As my group members spoke about what is green computing, approaches of green computing, and benefits of green computing, as it's a good emerging technology which we require in present situation in order to protect our nature, which leads us to a healthy nation. Finally, I would like to close by saying that there is vast need for green computing for a better environment. The aim of this presentation by learning the importance of green computing, both individual and the business can obtain greater understanding with the interrelationship of environmental sustainability and the green computing.